weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning device for station WXL39 and KZZ31. Conducted by the National Weather Service.
This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning device for station KIH28
during the
and
normal
KZZ31.
test time. The test
During
will be
potentially
postponed
dangerous weather situations,
reception of this
filter
broadcast
are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard.
any given
Tests
location.
of this signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon.
Good quality
If there is a
receiver.
threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm zone, will vary at any given location. It's very important. Normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm zone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings from the following counties and marine areas near the city of Philadelphia in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery in Philadelphia, in New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem. In Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, including Upper Delaware Bay, and in Maryland, Cecil, including Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KIH28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning device for station KZZ31 in Hamburg, New Jersey. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the